Lesson 13. Robin Hood comes for the shooting match. Before starting the chapter, let us see the word power. So take out page number 16. Number 1. Familiar. The meaning of familiar is that we know very well. Number 2. Gallows. The meaning of gallows is where a person is hanged. Number 3. Hurry. The meaning of hurry is walk quickly. Number 4. Feast. The meaning of feast is grand meal. Now note down the word power in your copy. Let us take page number 14. Lesson number 13. Robin Hood comes for the shooting match. The sheriff sent his men into the Sherwood forest again and again, but never could they catch Robin Hood and his men. The Nottingham people loved Robin Hood. This made the sheriff still more angry. "Why can't you catch him?" he cried. His men looked at him. "He is much more familiar with the forest," said one. "We need more men." "More men?" cried the sheriff. If the king knew this, he stopped and thought for a while. The king, that's it. Get ready, everybody. We'll go to London. King Henry will help us. After a few days, the sheriff and his men reached London. They were taken to the king's court. "My lord," said the sheriff, "there lives an outlaw, Robin Hood, in the Sherwood forest. I have tried to catch him, but he always gets away." "We have heard of him," said the king. "Some say he is a good man. He shoots your deer. He robs the rich people," the sheriff said. The king was angry. He asked the sheriff to see that the laws were obeyed. The king warned that he would get another sheriff if the sheriff couldn't do that. So the sheriff and his men rode sadly home. The sheriff was thinking all the time how to catch Robin Hood. At last he decided to have a shooting match. He offered a fine prize, a golden arrow, to the winner. "Do you think he would get into the match?" one of his men said. "I know him," said the sheriff. "If there is a shooting match, he will be there." "But he won't be wearing his green dress," said another. "No," said the sheriff, "but we can identify him. He has long yellow hair." The news about the shooting match spread far and wide. The prize was a golden arrow. Robin and his men also heard about the match. "Men," said Robin, "I think one of us can win that arrow." "But the sheriff has arranged this shooting match just to catch you," said an outlaw. "Do you want everyone to say Robin Hood was afraid to come?" Robin laughed. "No, but I don't want to see you hang," said the companion. "You won't," said Robin. "I'm going to shoot that arrow." He made a plan. Robin asked his men to wear old clothes and to take their swords. They would spread out among the crowd. If anything went wrong, they would take out their swords and come up. The match was held just outside the city. The people started coming. At last, the sheriff and his wife came. When the sheriff had sat down, he told his men to blow the horn. The men who were to shoot came forward. The sheriff told them the rules. The match started when all had come. The sheriff and his men watched carefully. The first round was over. At last, 10 men were left. Most of them were well known. Two came from a nearby town. Another big man was from London. He wore a blue suit. The last one was a stranger in a red suit. He wore a patch over one of his eyes. The sheriff asked his men to watch the stranger. The size was same, but his hair was brown. Robin had long yellow hair. The stranger won the match by shooting 3 arrows in the center of the target. His 3 arrows looked like a big arrow. The stranger took the golden arrow and walked off. Later that day, strangely dressed men hurried through the Sherwood forest. When they met, they took off their strange clothes. They were Robin Hood's men in green. They talked and laughed about the great shooting match. One man pulled off his red suit. Then he took off the patch from one of his eyes. He put his hand to his hair. I won't get this brown hair out of my hair very soon. He held up Sheriff's golden arrow. The men cheered. That evening, the sheriff had a great feast. The sheriff and his men were enjoying the feast. Robin Hood must have afraid to come, said the sheriff. I'm glad to know he was afraid. Just then something flashed over his head. An arrow flying through the open window struck the wall. A piece of paper was wrapped around it. With trembling hands, the sheriff took the paper and read, Thanks for the golden arrow, dear sheriff, kind and good. The stranger dressed in dirty dress was your old friend Robin Hood. So, dear children, this was the story how Robin Hood comes for the shooting match. Now, let me tell you, why did sheriff send his men again and again to the Sherwood forest? The sheriff sent his men again and again to the Sherwood forest to find Robin Hood. Now tell me, what did the king ask the sheriff to do? The king asked the sheriff to see that the law were obeyed, otherwise he would get another sheriff. What plan did the sheriff make to catch Robin? The sheriff decided to have a shooting match to catch Robin. Why couldn't the sheriff and his men identify Robin Hood? The sheriff and his men couldn't identify Robin Hood because he wore a red dress and the color of his hair was brown. Who won the shooting match? Robin Hood won the shooting match. What happened when the sheriff and his men were enjoying the feast? When the sheriff and his men were enjoying the feast, something flashed over his head. An arrow flying through the open window with a piece of paper wrapped around it struck the wall. Children, this was about the story of Robin Hood. Now let us see fill in the blanks. Number 1. The Nottingham people dash Robin Hood. The Nottingham people loved Robin Hood. Number 2. The sheriff and his men were dashed to the king's court. The sheriff and his men were taken to the king's court. Number 3. The news about the shooting match dashed far and wide. News about the shooting match spread far and wide. Number 4. The stranger took the golden dash and walked off. The stranger took the golden arrow and walked off. Number 5. The sheriff and his men were dashed the feast. The sheriff and his men were enjoying the feast.